Hello everyone, Andrew here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you another way that you can earn money online using just one simple, very easy to use, but yet very powerful affiliate program. And this program has been around for a lot of years, but I just started using it. So this is my first review video, my first impressions and experience with this program until now. Before we get into that though, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you find this video helpful, hit that like button. I'd really appreciate that. Without further ado, the program that I'm talking about, it's called Easy Cash for Ads. Probably you have heard of it, probably you have seen it being advertised almost everywhere, but that's for a good reason, because this affiliate program is 100% worth it. And it's a paid product, it's not for free, but the cost is extremely low, and it's only $19, just one-time payment. All right, but and $9 go to admin, $10 to a sponsor, but I'm gonna explain that a little bit later. Now let me just log into my account. So this is the login page. Sorry. Now, the ad that you are seeing right now, this ad that will be running for 25 seconds, is my sponsor's ad. Now, on this review video, I'm gonna focus only on two main features. The first one is the affiliate program, how you earn money using this program mainly. And the second feature is the advertising part. Okay, let me just go to my back office. So this is the back office of my account, which would look alike for everyone. Now here is the menu. Okay, here are your referrals, bonus, income builder, recruit strangers, your ad, resources, member contributions, money and profile, monthly product vault. Now, as I mentioned, I'm going to focus on money and profile, how you can make money using this program, and also on your ad page, which is the advertising part. Also, I'm going to mention the referrals that give you money, okay, that earn you money. All right. Now let me just jump right to the compensation plan, how you earn commissions. So it works like this. The moment you make the payment, $19, $9 to the admin and $10 to your sponsor, then you will get access to your Easy Cash for Ads back office and all the features that it includes, also with some bonuses. Now all you have to do after that is promote your affiliate link of this program and find at least 3 referrals, 2 of which, as you can tell here, will be your qualifier sales, meaning that the first 2 referrals that you will find will pass up to your sponsor, and you will get to keep the third one. But keep in mind that the same thing works for you as well, meaning that these referrals here, the qualified legs, okay, after you find your first 2 qualifying referrals, these all other referrals that you will find will pass their first 2 referrals up to you. For example, now that I have 3 qualified legs, these 3 paid $10 to me and $9 to the admin, each one of them. Now, whenever they find their first 2 referrals, they will pass down to me or up to me, and they will pay me $10, not this one. So now I have 3. If they find, if all 3 of them find their qualifier sales, I will get 6 referrals that will pay me directly. Okay, so I hope it's not confusing. All right, guys. However, if it is confusing, don't worry, because in the comment section of this video I'm gonna leave my referral link for this program. Actually, it's my capture page link, but in it you will find the video from the admin of this program that explains with more details the compensation plan. But I take it that you already got it, it's not too difficult to understand. And if you do the math, think about the potential of earning money with this program, okay? Say that you find 10 referrals because you already have a list following you and they always follow your program that you promote, okay? So when they find their first 2 referrals, you will be with 20 other referrals, people that you don't even know existed, and you will earn $10 from each of them, and that's $200 for you. Okay, now let me just jump. This is the compensation plan. This is the first feature that I wanted to mention and the main reason why I joined this program. Okay, now if I go to money and profile, you can see here all the transactions. Okay, now my first 2 referrals were qualifier sales. All right, they passed to my sponsor, so that's why they are not here. But the other 3 that I got, they paid directly $10 to me, and $20 already got paid. The other one is still pending because it's quite recent. All right, so this is it for the compensation plan, how you earn money with this program. But this is the main source of income, because there are other sources of income, but I'm not gonna talk about that right now because I don't want this video to be too long. So let me just jump to the advertising page. Now when I logged into my account, you saw that there was an ad running for 25 seconds. Now that is my sponsor's ad. The same goes for you. If you go to your ad, all right, here is where you put your affiliate link or your website link, whatever you want to promote. And whenever one of your referrals, or better yet, one of your downline, okay, logs into their account, they will see your ad for 25 seconds. And when I talk about downline referrals, I'm not talking about the ones that you directly referred. Okay, I'm talking about all the other ones that your direct referrals referred and passed up to you. Okay, so if these 3 refer to qualifier sales, then in total I will have 9 referrals in my downline. So all of them, when they log in to their Easy Cash for Ads back office, they will see my ad for 25 seconds. Now imagine if you have thousands of subscribers. That is thousands of people watching your ad every single day for 25 seconds. Alright guys, so that's a pretty good advertising if you ask me. If you go around traffic exchange sites, etc., safe lists, you will see one's ad for only maybe 10 seconds at the most. Alright, but this here gives you the possibility to advertise for 25 seconds. Okay, so this is also it for this feature, for the advertising feature. And like I said, for this video I'm going to focus only on these 2 features, and this is the first video, my recent experience with this program since I joined it recently. But I'm gonna promote it and see how it goes for another 3 months maybe, and then I'll come back and record another video showing if there is any progress or less. Okay, so again, in the comment section of this video you will find my affiliate link for this program, and if you decided to join, please make sure to also check the video on my capture page. It explains better and with more details the compensation plan, also with some graphics, so you will understand it easy. Okay, you will understand it better. So this is it for today's video. One more thing, whenever you have your free time after you join this program, make sure to go through all the features, because there are a lot of information here, a lot of bonuses that you can find, and other programs that you can earn money as well with affiliate commissions. Okay, So this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you find it helpful, please hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel, I'd appreciate that. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned. Cheers.